Hey everyone, hi. Today we are going to discuss plantation crops in India. Quite interesting. So, uh, we are going to start with rice. Okay. So, rice cultivation, as we all know, rice is a kharif crop. Okay. And rice, this required temperature as given here. It's very simple to learn this graph. Yeah. Temperature is 10 to 21. During sowing, there should be 35 to 37, and rainfall is 200 centimeter. Okay, and heavy clay and clay loamy is best suited. Where is distribution? That is West Bengal. First of all, West Bengal, then UP, and then Andhra Pradesh, and then Telangana, and then Punjab. It's enough. Okay. Uh, Now we are going for wheat. All right. So we are going for wheat now. So it's a wheat, you can see here, wheat production. So wheat production generally requires temperature 10 to 15 again centimeter, and 21 to 26 for summer. So rice was there, that was during harvest 35 to 37, but here in wheat it's 21 to 26 in summer, and rainfall will be 15 to 75 just only. Okay, and well drained, fertile loamy soil and clay soil we require, and moderate temperature and moderate rainfall is necessary for a good cultivation of wheat. It is grown as a spring crop in cool temperature and as a winter crop in warm temperature and tropical region. So it is grown as a spring crop in cool temperature. In cool temperature, this is a spring crop, but in a and as a winter crop, it is a warm temperature. Okay, and UP first, then Punjab, okay, then Haryana, then Madhya Pradesh. So UP first, then Punjab, okay, then Haryana, then Madhya Pradesh, then Rajasthan. So UP is the highest in wheat production. We should have, like, I even generally do some mistakes, Punjab, Haryana, but no, that is UP. Okay. So, moderate temperature, moderate rainfall, and good cultivation of wheat grown as a spring crop in a cool temperature and winter crop in a warm temperature and tropical region as well. Now, next one is bajra and barley. Okay, bajra and barley is there. We can see in the graph. Okay, bajra and barley is basically this graph as we can see here. Okay, so this is like index of bajra and barley. So for temperature 25 to 35 and 40 to 50 centimeter rainfall, and Rajasthan and Maharashtra and Gujarat and UP. Okay, and it requires black and red soil and poor sandy soil also. Now barley is the temperature is 10 to 15 centimeter and 75 to 100 centimeter rainfall we required for barley, and that is in UP, then in Rajasthan, then in MP. So barley in where, like UP, then Rajasthan, then MP, then Haryana. UP, Rajasthan, MP, and Haryana. Light clay and alluvial soil is required for barley. Okay. So now cash crop, we are going to discuss about cash crop. Okay. It's like cash crop, you can see here cash crops are there. So that is, first of all, we are discussing here cotton. So you can see in the graph this whole area is for the cotton. Okay, cotton is a kharif crop again, and it's a subtropical area, we can say Punjab, then Maharashtra, then Gujarat, Punjab, Maharashtra, Gujarat, then Haryana. Punjab, Maharashtra, Gujarat, then Haryana. Temperature is like 21 to 30 and 210 frost free days. Frost free days. It's required that. And deep black soil even grow in alluvial soil and laterite soil also. Okay. Okay, now we are going to discuss about some other plantation crops, like that is sugarcane, tobacco, and coffee and tea. Okay, so first of all, we are going to discuss about jute. So jute is required like temperature 24 to 35, rainfall like 150 with 80 to 90% of relative humidity required for jute. And alluvial soil is also grown in light sandy and clayey loamy soil, and Barak Valley, which is situated in Assam. Okay, that is important for jute cultivation. And range of temperature 25 to 30, and rainfall 100 to 200 centimeter, which are ideal condition for jute cultivation. And West Bengal is first, then Bihar, then Assam, then Odisha, then UP, then Maharashtra. Okay, now sugarcane. Sugarcane like 25 to 26 degree temperature, 150 centimeter rain and humidity. High humidity is required and irrigation. Deep, rich and loamy soil, ideal black soil is also for suitable for that. Now we are here UP, then Maharashtra, again UP in sugarcane, then Tamil Nadu. After Maharashtra is Tamil Nadu, and highest yield is highest in Tamil Nadu for sugarcane. It should be aware. You should be aware for that. Okay, then Karnataka. Enough. Now we are discussing about like you see here. This is the sugarcane area. This one area is for sugarcane. Okay, now tobacco you can see this one, like this area, this area, this area, this area, this one is for like tobacco. Okay, so tobacco is like 16 to like a 40 degrees Celsius, minus 40 degrees Celsius, no 16 to 40 degrees Celsius, and 50 centimeter of like rainfall required, and well drained variable sandy loamy soil we required. And Gujarat is highest in tobacco, and then Andhra Pradesh is second one. Like Gujarat is first, we should know about Gujarat, then Andhra Pradesh, and then Nellore, and the main producing districts are that. Other area are minor production in UP, Karnataka and West Bengal also. Okay, so now we are going to discuss some plantation crop like tea. So we are going to discuss about tea. So tea is here. You can see this area. Okay, some very little of that area. Now tropical and subtropical plant which thrive well in hot and humid climate, and temperature is 25 to 30, and rainfall is 150 to 300 centimeter. Forest soil rich in humus and iron content is the best suited. Well drained, deep and fireable loam is also suitable. Then Assam is the first, like Brahmaputra Valley, Surma Valley. West Bengal like Dwar and Darjeeling. Tamil Nadu is highest yield per hectare in tea also, and in sugarcane also. Now Kerala, no, sugarcane like, yeah, sugarcane also Tamil Nadu was highest in yield. Uh, yes, bilkul. And like tea is also highest yield in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Kerala, Kottayam, Kollam, and Thiruvananthapuram are some districts which are good in tea. And other areas are like Tripura, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh. And condition require crop like coffee. Now we are discussing about coffee. Okay, so coffee is like this. See this area, some area of that, inner part of that. Like Karnataka and Kerala is the most prominent. 80% coffee in the Karnataka, and 13% of the total production in Kerala. Crop is hot and humid climate. Temperature is 15 to like 28 centimeter. Okay, and rainfall is 150 to like 200, and well drained rich loam which rich in humus and iron calcium. Rubber we require, like if we want to grow rubber is also a plantation crop. Okay, so rubber temperature required 25 to 35, 300 centimeter like rainfall we required. Well drained loamy soil from laterite for the alluvium of clay loam. Kerala is 90%, then Kollam. Okay, Kerala, Kottayam, Ernakulam, Kollam is producing highest. Then Tamil Nadu. then Karnataka, then Assam, then West Bengal. Other crop are like maize. Maize is a kharif crop again, and 25 to 25 temperature will we require 75 centimeter we required rainfall, and well drained alluvial and red loamy soil we required. Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana is some like for the maize. Jowar is both kharif and rabi crop. The temperature is similar as 27 to 32. Rainfall is similar 30 centimeter to 100. Variety of soil is clay and sandy, and Jowar is in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh. Maize was in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, but Jowar in Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. Now Ragi is again like 20 to 30 degree temperature. Rainfall is 50 to 100. Rain, red and black soil we required. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, like Maharashtra is for Ragi. Gram is there. Gram is for most important all the pulses, and temperature is 20 to 25. Rainfall is 40 to 50. Soil grow well in loamy soil, and Madhya Pradesh is important for the gram. Then Uttar Pradesh, then Telangana, then Rajasthan. So Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, then Telangana, then Rajasthan, then Haryana. And average maximum and minimum yield of major crops are we can say crops are all Indian average like maximum and minimum, like rice in Punjab is maximum, Madhya Pradesh is minimum. Wheat in Punjab again and Andhra Pradesh is minimum. Maize is Tamil Nadu and Assam is minimum. Jowar in Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal minimum. Gram in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu minimum. And tur in Bihar, Andhra Pradesh minimum. Groundnut in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu minimum. Rapeseed and mustard in Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh is minimum. In rapeseed and mustard is Gujarat is maximum and Tamil Nadu is minimum. Soya bean is in Andhra Pradesh is maximum and Uttar Pradesh is minimum. Sugarcane in West Bengal is maximum and Jammu Kashmir is minimum. Yield, I am talking about yield kg per hectare. Cotton in Punjab and Maharashtra is minimum. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. This was very bulky. I know, but still, for some mind mapping is very important if we are like daily taking some current affair topics and we are reading if some current affair topics in daily basis or we are daily seeing the newspapers of the Hindu and kind